This is my phone N23, and today I will show how you can fix slow Android system issues on this device. So if your myPhone feels slow, sluggish, or does not meet your responsiveness expectations, begin by opening the list of recent apps by tapping at this digital button here or making the respective navigation gesture if your preferred interface navigation method is gestures. And here simply tap the clear all button. Then I also recommend that you perform a storage cleanup if your storage is overwhelmed and has not enough space left. The easiest and most straightforward way to do that is to use the Google Files app, which is the app you get pre-installed in your phone. So another pro of this method is that you will not need to install any third-party apps or just install any apps in general. Anyway, launch the Google Files app. Here, go into the clean section. You will find it either at the bottom of your screen or on this menu or in this menu. And then just take all the measures that it suggests. My storage is in perfect and fresh condition since I've just factory reset the device, so I didn't have enough time to clutter the storage up. But in your case, if you've been using your phone for quite some time, you've gotten the performance issues, you'll probably have a lot of work to do here. So clean up the junk, unnecessary and temporary files. Then usually this tool also suggests that you uninstall the apps you do not use often enough, delete large files that you might have downloaded at some point in the past and forgot about them, or do whatever is written here and whatever you find, you do not have any problems with doing. So here is your regular storage cleanup. Another way you can significantly, I would say, improve the system performance and speed up your overall processing, or not yours, but rather the phone's processing speed, is to launch settings. Here enter the About Phone category, then tap at the RAM section, switch on the RAM expansion tool, select how many additional random access memory gigabytes you would like to get. Usually you can just go with the maximum value of 6. And then reboot your phone, so this change will take effect. And the way this feature works, it allocates the respective amount of your internal storage and starts using it as virtual random access memory. And what RAM is good for is obviously multitasking and, well, overall just loading apps quicker, loading pretty much everything way quicker. So the more RAM you have, the better your performance should get. At some point you reach the point of diminishing returns, of course, but if you didn't have this option enabled, it is definitely worth trying out. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.